Sometimes you have to take a step back and look at life from a different point of view. Most of us do things and don't think twice about it, knowing that at the end of the day, every bad decision has a consequence. Some consequences are worse than others. Everyone has had a point in their life where they've been betrayed, lied to, cheated on, used, or just straight up in a bad situation. A lot of people take advantage of other people's love and trust, not even knowing how bad it hurts. I'm pretty sure you've heard the expression, love is a battlefield. Well, I always thought it was some dumb expression parents used to keep their kids from dating. I never wanted to listen to what other people had to say when they told me, you can't rush into anything, or you're gonna regret it. Looks like I had to find out the hard way. You're about to find out exactly what I mean by that. Here's the story.